Farland Classic Restoration was fortunate to be able to do a full restoration on this beautiful 1968 Porsche 912 soft window Targa. These are rare and beautiful sports cars. We started with a low-mileage, all-original paint example that had never been wrecked or rusted. After the car was disassembled and the interior removed, our experts perfected the body of the car. The interior was completely redone accurately with original materials and colors. The mechanical aspects of the car were made to operate like new. We used advanced techniques to match the original paint perfectly, ensuring a seamless finish. We utilized time-honored techniques to ensure the gaps and the panel fit were accurate, so it looked just as it did when it left the factory. Sourcing original parts was crucial, and we meticulously installed each one to maintain authenticity. The result is a beautifully restored classic that drives as well as it looks. The customer actually picked the car up at our shop in Englewood, Colorado and drove it to his home in California without difficulty, other than some uncooperative weather in the Sierras. If you're interested in having a Porsche restored, consider Farland Classic Restoration. Our work is world-class. Check us out at farlandcars.com or call us at 303-761-1245.